Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty long bed. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features it may have. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Plus, it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a call or a text for further details. But as you can see, it has the tow mirrors, the rear tinted windows, the running boards. We got the backup sensors, the tow pack, the backup camera, bed liner. So you've got rubber floor mats as well. Again, just get these angles in here for you. We'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Again, I just want to get this in the best I can for you. I think videos are a little better than photos in my opinion. Frankly, I'm surprised more dealers don't do this, but hey, I'm not complaining. Tires look brand new. Really good looking truck. Matter of fact, this one does have remote start. Let's go ahead and just do that real quick. There it is there. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Heated mirrors, of course. Power windows, power locks, power memory seats, power fold-in mirrors. Get the condition of the leather here. I don't see any rips, tears, or stains. Really good condition. Center console there. Let's get the passenger seat. We'll get the back here in just a moment. Power rear slider. Rear air. Alright, let's get the condition up front. Maybe I'll get this in here, the manufacturer sticker. As you can see, it's US. The axle down there, wheelbase, all of that stuff. Hopefully that helps you. We got power pedal adjusters, steering wheel controls, looks like Bluetooth capable. Stock stereo, heated and cooled seats, factory tow assist. We got the sink. And up there's for the power slider, but let's go ahead and turn. I'm actually going to turn this over. Let me hop in here. If I pop the hood with the remote start, it'll automatically die for safety feature. Let's just turn it over real quick. And we'll go turn that off. All right, looks like the governor. All right, there's mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, but let's go ahead and I'll turn on some lights and then we'll take a look at underneath the hood. Find the latch here. There we go, guys. All right, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am not a mechanic. I am not going to pretend, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. You know, and I encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's huge for us. but hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.